Right now, they're going for 1.8 million.
Hello guys, my boy James is back. We're here at my new office and he brought me a watch, a surprising watch. I just want to give a shout out to my brother right here. He's doing big things. And if you're out there looking for a watch, make sure you check in, tap in with my boy. I appreciate you, man. We got, the future is bright.
Yes.
Ending 2024 like this, well, 9 hours, we're looking at 2025. And I feel like my spirit's telling me that it's looking very bright.
Yes.
James, add something on, man.
Yeah, to go off of that, 2025 is looking very bright. This man just showed me some of his new cars that's coming in. It's crazy. He's going to have a Revelto coming in, so be on the lookout for that. And we're excited to bring in this new year. Very excited. So
that's right.
Unbox them?
Yep. Let's see what this is. Check this out. My boy always surprises me with crazy gifts. Oh, he's got my favorite color, which is gonna match the Lamborghini Urus, the lime green one that I got. This is insane. This is looking crazy.
So that's the Gudalii Scudo Verde. Right now they're going for 1.8 million. We just sold one on auction.
That's right.
Yeah.
He's got one on too.
And this is actually the Scudo. So the Scudo is about 1 million, so 1.03 million. But that's the big dog.
This is the big stuff right here.
Big dog right there.
Wow. This is crazy.
So
let's see how this.
Just to get that on.
Yep, right. It's looking definitely looking good. You want to help me with this?
Yep, I got you.
Yeah, this is what we do, guys. James, I've known James. Actually, I met him a couple years now, and it's a vibe. We're both about business, good business, and my man right here. I've been busy with my stuff with this whole renovation I've been doing at the new office. But I'm very proud and glad that I'm able to kind of have my friends come by and present what they're about. And this is about 2025. Let's get it. This new design he just came out with. He actually just surprised me with this. Is it this way or the other way? Yeah. And yeah, he's doing big things, and I'm very proud and blessed that I have someone like James that I was able to meet and get things going for us. And this is looking beautiful, actually. I love it. See the way it sits is so nice. Yep, it's perfect. Thank you, James. I appreciate you, and all the heavy hitters out there. If you consider yourself a heavy hitter, go ahead and get yourself something nice. Treat yourself, because we don't live forever. And it's all about treating yourself good, nice. So this is it. Like, it comes with its own cord and everything. Carbon fiber case. This is just crazy. So yeah.
You like those ones?
Yeah, they're
nice.
nice.
That's good, 'cause that one's for you. So that's you right there.
Guys, check this out. What a beautiful fucking watch. I don't mean to curse, but this is the thing is, I don't have anything that's like this style. You see what I'm saying?
Right, that's clean.
And I think, you see that?
So that's the Gudalii Master Nero, 1 of 25 pieces. Currently have 3 available. Now I only have 2.
Right.
And one being a demo.
Yeah. Is that? Oh, that's the same thing as that.
Yep,
okay,
just a
perfect.
demo.
Yeah. Wow, this is dope. This is really cool.
And so we went with a tiny U style casing, kind of a familiar style casing, kind of to draw people in. But then where it gets interesting at is the internals.
Yeah.
The internals, we outdid everyone. So we took a familiar case style and just killed them on the internals. So, which makes it.
Yeah, it makes you definitely different.
How you feel about the Eternal?
That one?
How you like that one?
Shit, I truly, this looks classy. This looks,
right?
This something that I would wear with, let's say, that Dior suit that I just recently bought. But this looks, damn, this looks good. Wow.
Fully mechanical skeleton. You can see through the back as well.
This is dope. This is really cool. Oh, you could see through the back too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is something really classy. Where if you got any occasions you want to go to, you could actually rock this. And I actually want to see how this looks on my wrist. I'm gonna try it out. Damn, you got a lot of items, huh?
Yeah. So
Now a lot of production, like.
yeah. So 2024. So these are pretty much the same watch except for the Verde. So these are the same watches.
How
However,
you
different
would take
straps.
it off?
So here's the double clasp system.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay, perfect. That's so easy. Put
That
it
way
right
you
here,
just
so
adjust it, put it on,
Yeah.
take it off.
yeah.
And it's a 2-point clasp system, so both sides has the clasp. So check on this side too.
Oh, okay, okay. I see. It's this side. Oh, that's really cool, bro. You see, it's some pieces that I don't really have. I actually have another person bringing a Rolex. He owes me some money.
Yep.
Shout out to that guy. He didn't end up coming to the table until he got sued. My shout out to my attorney, Josh. Did a good job.
It'd be that way.
Yep. No, this got a really expensive look to it. I love this too. It's a really nice piece. It's something that I would rock it to like weddings and to kind of grand opening of this place, because this basically is not something that flashy.
Right.
We're past that kind of. It's more like in its own zone. Yeah, it's classier to where like you carry yourself as a businessman. You gotta carry yourself as much as you can, as classier as you can. That's how it goes. James is doing an amazing job. I mean, I'm so amazed by this. This is really cool, man.
Thank you.
And I love it. I mean, this is really dope.
Thank you. So the next timepieces. So we've been gearing towards one-of-one pieces for our clients, and so we have our baguettes coming out, which we're only doing 25 pieces. Those start off at 2.5 million. And what those feature are 116 baguettes, tri-layered, and then we have marble in the center with a turbine that's right dead smack in the middle, which, oh man, they're beautiful pieces. And so we just started taking allocations a couple months ago on those. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. Really excited about that.
You're doing an amazing job, man. This production, I hope it gets the wings and it's flying in the air. I mean, you just got to be able to control it, because this is amazing. I mean, I see it.
That's been
This
the
is
problem.
dope. Yeah.
That's been the problem. And so, yeah.
And this is it, guys. I'm really appreciative that I'm surrounded with such positive people like James that is able to show up and hey, I got this selection. We got this nice new products that came out. And I'm really happy for him. And I'm in the car industry, so this is it. This is the first ever podcast, you could call it, or this kind of thing that we're doing at my new office, and I'm very proud of this. And I think this is not the first and not the last one. So this is why I made this, because we have our own privacy. We talk and we can do our own thing. This is really cool, and I'm very happy that James is doing amazing with his new brand and flying. Yeah. You got your wings spread out and you just flying, brother. Congratulations, man.